Hey, what's up, Siacoin Holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. Once again, I'm present with another latest update of the Siacoin, and now the game is over. Now the farming time of the Siacoin is over, and now it's time to pump. It's time to the price we're going to increase, my friends. That's a good news video, so just keep watching this video. Hope you will be feel very happy after watching this video, so never miss any second of this video. And also I request everyone to please subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. My friends, at this time the currently latest price of the Siacoin is 0.01 USD dollar. 0.01 USD dollar is the currently latest price of the Siacoin. Furthermore, if we discuss the 24-hour trading volume of the Siacoin, market cap and available supply, total supply, so I think everything is going good. Everything is going good. The price of the Siacoin is also going good. You can see, my friends, I'm feeling very good. I'm feeling very happy about the Siacoin because the latest last 24 hours price change is positive 1.09% positive change occur in the Siacoin, and the price is going to increase at this time. Unfortunately, the latest change is the last 60 minutes price change is bad, but the previous change is the last 24 hours price change is going good, and hope they will continue this pump for a long time. Anyways, my prediction is also about positive about Siacoin, and you know what, my recommendation for all of you is that please hold. Now if we do the latest price chart of the Siacoin, so the latest price chart, I think that that's a quick jump. That's a quick jump, and it's time to celebration because after a great falls, after a long-term falls, the price of the Siacoin is start pumping. That's why I'm telling you it's time to celebrate. So celebrate now. Congrats all Siacoin holders. And you can see here, my friends, if you look the price chart of the Siacoin, so the previous time is continuously falling time of the Siacoin, continuously fast time occur and the Siacoin, but now the latest change is going good. That's why I'm feeling very happy. Hope you all are feeling good about the Siacoin, and what is your opinion, what is your target, what is your prediction about Siacoin? Please tell them in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.